Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The msi Cyborg A15 stands as a modern interpretation of the portable gaming machine, aiming to balance the high demands of contemporary software with the physical realities of a mobile lifestyle. It is positioned within a competitive segment of the market where users expect more than just raw power. They look for a device that can transition between different environments without causing physical strain or drawing undue attention through excessive bulk. This specific model, identified by the part number B2HWEKG074US, integrates several emerging technologies that signal a shift toward artificial intelligence-assisted computing. By focusing on a thin and light profile, this laptop attempts to solve the long-standing dilemma of whether a gaming rig can truly be an everyday carry item. It represents a design philosophy that prioritizes efficiency and aesthetics in equal measure, utilizing a combination of high refresh rate display technology and updated internal components to provide a consistent experience across various types of media and interactive entertainment. The physical construction of the Cyborg A15 is perhaps its most distinguishing characteristic at first glance. It utilizes a chassis that incorporates translucent elements, particularly along the sides and the base, which offers a literal window into the internal layout of the machine. This design choice serves a dual purpose, providing a unique visual identity while maintaining a weight of approximately 4.3 pounds. For a 15.6-inch laptop, this weight is relatively low, making it manageable for users who need to transport their workstation in a standard backpack. The thinness of the frame does not immediately suggest a loss of structural integrity, as the materials are chosen to withstand the rigors of frequent travel. The keyboard layout and the placement of the trackpad are engineered to maximize the available surface area, ensuring that the user does not feel cramped during extended typing sessions or gaming marathons. The overall footprint is compact enough to fit on small lecture hall desks or tray tables, which is a significant consideration for those who do not have a dedicated spacious desk setup. The translucent parts of the casing are not just for show, they also highlight the strategic placement of ports and vents, showing where the machine breathes and connects. This transparency reflects a broader trend in technology where the internal engineering is celebrated rather than hidden away behind solid plastic or metal. Under the hood, the performance is driven by a combination of the Ryzen 7260 processor and the GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. This pairing is significant because it introduces a level of graphical fidelity and processing speed that was previously reserved for much heavier and more expensive machines. The Ryzen 7 series is known for its multi-threaded capabilities, which is essential for modern applications that rely on parallel processing. This matters because users today are rarely doing just one thing. They are often gaming while streaming or editing video while running background tasks. The inclusion of the RTX 5060 brings advanced ray tracing and artificial intelligence-driven upscaling to the forefront, allowing for smoother frame rates even in demanding titles. This is further complemented by 16 GB of DDR5 memory. DDR5 represents a step forward in data transfer speeds compared to previous generations, reducing bottlenecks during intense data-heavy operations. Furthermore, the 1 TB solid-state drive provides ample room for a substantial library of games and professional files, ensuring that the user is not constantly managing storage space or deleting old content to make room for the new. The artificial intelligence designation in the name refers to the integration of dedicated processing units designed to handle AI tasks more efficiently. This technology is becoming increasingly relevant as more software incorporates artificial intelligence for things like noise cancellation during calls, image enhancement, and power management. By offloading these tasks to specialized hardware, the main processor and graphics card are free to focus on the primary workload, which can lead to better overall system stability and battery life. Connectivity is handled by Wi-Fi 6E technology, which accesses the 6 GHz band to provide faster speeds and lower latency in crowded wireless environments. This is particularly useful in apartment buildings or dormitories where dozens of devices are competing for bandwidth. The inclusion of Windows 11 provides a modern operating system environment that is optimized for the hardware architecture, offering features like snap layouts and improved touch integration that align with the laptop's versatile nature. The display is a 15.6-inch full high-definition panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. In the world of gaming, the refresh rate is a critical metric because it determines how many times the screen updates the image every second. A standard 60Hz screen can sometimes feel sluggish or blurry during fast motion, but a 144Hz screen provides a much more fluid visual experience. This is especially important in genres like first-person shooters or racing games where split-second reactions are necessary. The full high-definition resolution ensures that the hardware can maintain high frame rates without being overwhelmed by the pixel count found in higher-resolution displays. This balance allows for a consistent level of performance that matches the capabilities of the RTX 5060 graphics card. The screen also features thin bezels, which helps to maximize the viewing area without increasing the overall size of the laptop. Thermal management is another area where the design of the Cyborg A15 AI is focused. High-performance components generate significant heat, and in a thin and light chassis, managing that heat is a challenge. The cooling system uses a series of pipes and fans to draw heat away from the processor and graphics card and exhaust it through the vents. The translucent bottom of the laptop actually allows the user to see some of these cooling components, which emphasizes the importance of airflow in maintaining peak performance. When the system is under heavy load, the fans will spin up to keep temperatures within safe limits, ensuring that the hardware does not throttle its speed to cool down. This is vital for maintaining a steady frame rate during long gaming sessions or while rendering complex 3D models. When considering who would find the msi Cyborg A15 AI most useful, it is clear that the device is aimed at a multifaceted demographic. Students are a primary audience as they require a machine that can handle demanding academic software and creative projects during the day, but also serve as a high-performance gaming hub in the evening. The portability factor is key here, as carrying a heavy laptop across a large campus can become a burden. Similarly, young professionals who find themselves traveling for work or commuting via public transit will appreciate the balance between performance and weight. It is also well suited for the casual gamer who wants a modern machine that can play the latest titles without needing to invest in a massive stationary desktop. Because it sits at a price point of around $1,295, it offers a mid-range entry into high-end gaming, making it accessible to those who want quality hardware without the extreme costs associated with flagship enthusiast models. The inclusion of 16 GB of DDR5 RAM is a thoughtful choice for this price bracket. While 8 GB was the standard for many years, modern games and productivity suites now regularly exceed that amount. Having 16 GB allows for smoother multitasking and ensures that the system remains relevant for several years as software requirements continue to grow. The DDR5 standard itself offers higher bandwidth and better power efficiency than its predecessor, which contributes to the overall snappiness of the operating system. When combined with the 1 TB SSD, the system feels very responsive with fast boot times and quick application launches. The 1 TB capacity is particularly generous considering that many modern games can exceed 100 GB in size. This gives users the freedom to keep several large titles installed simultaneously along with their personal photos, videos, and documents. The keyboard and input methods are designed with the gamer in mind but remain practical for general use. The keys provide a tactile feel that is helpful for both typing long essays and navigating complex game controls. The inclusion of a dedicated number pad is a bonus for users who do data entry or use software that benefits from extra key assignments. The trackpad is smooth and responsive, supporting the various gestures built into Windows 11. While most gamers will likely use an external mouse for serious play, the built-in trackpad is more than adequate for browsing the web or working on the go. The overall aesthetic of the laptop, with its blue backlighting and cybernetic accents, provides a sense of personality without being overly flashy or distracting in a professional or educational setting. In a broader sense, the existence of this laptop highlights the trend of convergence in the personal computer industry. The lines between professional workstations and gaming machines are blurring, and the Cyborg A15 AI is a testament to that shift. It provides enough power for technical tasks while maintaining the flair and speed required for entertainment. While no device can be everything to everyone, this model makes a strong case for being a reliable all-rounder. It does not try to be the most powerful machine on the planet, nor does it try to be the thinnest. Instead, it finds a middle ground that serves the practical needs of a modern user who values mobility as much as they value internal specifications. The combination of the Ryzen 7 processor, the RTX 5060 graphics, and the high refresh rate screen creates a cohesive package that addresses the core needs of the modern digital lifestyle. At a price of approximately $1,295, the msi Cyborg A15 AI represents a calculated investment in current technology. It offers a clear path for users who want to experience the benefits of artificial intelligence integration and high-end graphics in a form factor that does not compromise their ability to move around. By focusing on the essentials of speed, storage, and portability, it provides a balanced solution for a wide range of tasks. Whether it is being used for complex calculations, high-speed gaming, or simple media consumption, this laptop is built to handle the workload with a level of efficiency that reflects the current state of mobile computing. It is a tool for those who need their technology to be as flexible and dynamic as their daily lives. Ultimately, the msi Cyborg A15 AI is a reflection of how far gaming laptops have come. We are no longer in an era where high performance requires a 10-pound brick and a massive power supply. Through clever engineering and the use of modern materials, manufacturers are able to pack significant power into frames that are easy to carry and comfortable to use. The translucent design elements serve as a reminder of the complexity inside, while the performance speaks for itself in every task. For the user looking for a dependable, versatile, and stylish machine, this laptop offers a compelling mix of features that justify its place in a crowded market. It stands as a solid choice for anyone who needs a single device that can do it all, from the classroom to the boardroom to the digital battlefield. Its focus on the future of AI and the current needs of gamers makes it a relevant and practical choice for today's tech-savvy consumer. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.